How to manage save button on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage save button on Snapchat easily. So first thing you have to do, just go to Snapchat. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and then go to the top corner here again, click on the settings, and right here you will find many options. Scroll down until you find the memories option. Click on memories, and here you will find save button. Click on it, and as you can see now, from here you can manage your save button easy. For example, you can choose memories and camera roll or camera roll only, or you can let it add as memories. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.